Welcome back to Blue Jay Bonsai. And in this episode, I head to Kim's Nature to meet up with my friends from the Toronto Bonsai Society, but specifically with Mippy, the winner of the bonsai pot from the 500 subscribers special. And don't forget to stick around for subscribers picks, and then the reveals from my trip, and a gift from Tom at Grow and Clip Bonsai for Seniors.
We're at Kim's Nature again.
Hey, Vince! Are you looking at Wayne's pots
I
here?
am. What do you like this pot? What do you think of that?
That actually looks a lot like the one that Derek got from Wayne. I
Really?
love it. Yeah.
It's got a little bit of a thing here, but other than that, it's really nice colors
This
on
year
it.
we try to bring more pots, that's
Really
for sure.
nice
I
colors.
have to. Even the shipping's high, I still have to.
Yeah.
There's no choice.
Yeah. Thanks, Kim.
No problem. Yeah.
Oh, is that ever nice?
There's a little pot for the jade that Connor gave me.
Oh.
Are you guys done already?
Hi, Judy.
Oh, well, some of us have to
No,
go,
no.
you know.
I love it. Get some of Wayne's pots as well, Judy.
Oh yes, I was here last weekend and totally regret not buying one.
Those are really cool. What do you think you might put in one of those?
Well, since I'm starting with pretty young material, the literati style might be suitable.
Yeah,
What do
that
you
would be
think?
nice. I think so. Yeah. That, and I think maybe accessory plantings look good in those as well.
Yeah.
If you're ready-
Accessories will have to wait.
If you're
I
ready
think.
for a show, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome. Hi, Carol.
Hi.
Oh, what do you have there?
Oh gosh,
It's a Gruya.
that is.
Wow. That is adorable.
Love it.
I keep meaning to get one, and I just keep forgetting. Awesome.
Peek under.
Hi, Mippy.
Hi, Jay.
Oh, wow.
Gonna try non-grocery store type open orchid.
That's really nice.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to kill it.
Let me get a closer look. Look at that. Beautiful.
What do you think?
I like it a lot.
And I like the fact that there are some branches down low.
Hello, back at Kim's.
What have you got there, Merlinda?
So I've always wanted a prayer plant, so I finally decided to get one. And then this is a type of pothos, which I already have two. But I mean, why not have three?
They,
Good number.
they get pretty big too, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're easy to root too with cuttings. And this is different from what I usually or normally have.
Variegated?
So-
Is it-
Yeah, it's a variegated one. I already have a variegated one, but it's not like this. It's more stripy, I guess you could call it.
Got it. Am I supposed to take this one home, Carol, or is it for you?
Nope, this is for me, but you need to take a picture of it.
And what is it?
A Chinese fringe plant.
Chinese fringe plant. Oh, it's got little pink
Little
flowers.
flowers.
So pretty.
Let's hope it survives.
All right.
excited.
So the whole purpose of meeting today. Ta-da!
Oh, I'm so excited.
What do you
I
think?
don't win things very often. So this is very exciting for me, and it's going to have a very nice little gruya in it.
Oh, I can't wait to see. You think
I'll send you pictures.
Oh, that'd be amazing.
Once I'm finally bold enough to do the repotting.
Oh, thank you so much, Mippy.
Probably going to wait till spring.
Yeah.
So don't kill it.
Perfect. Thank you.
No, thank you.
Okay.
And since it's so close, as usual, we decided to also pop over to Valley View Gardens to enjoy some more indoor greenhouse warmth.
You look like you're gonna hug it, Mippy. Oh, it was all in flower last time I was here.
And now it's time for Subscribers Picks. If you'd like to see your photos of your trees, bonsai or pre-bonsai on the channel, then send us an email with your name, the name and species of your tree, and any other interesting information. Gerardo from Forest Tales Bonsai picked up this nice azalea from the nursery. He did a quick prune on it. If you'd like to see this tree's ongoing development, check out his channel. Katie Dodd sent us this picture of her privet. She chopped the tops off the 2-leaf trunks, and it budded back like crazy in the spring. I'm looking forward to seeing future pictures of this one, Katie. Jesse Vandermeer sent us these pictures of his 3 favorite trees. His ficus ginseng, that he's majorly transformed since he first got it. His ficus retusa, which he restyled when the top died back. As well as a yamadori, where we don't know the actual species yet. When the leaves come in, he'll let us know. I really love this one. Great job, Jesse. Christian from the channel The Nature Creator finally got his Toronto Bonsai Society calendar that he won. Okay, first up from my trip to Kim's Nature is this beautiful European olive. Since the last olive I picked up from the Bonsai Guru was actually for Derek, I'm looking forward to having an olive of my own. And I really like the movement on this one and the interesting root base that is starting. Next up is this bag of Kanuma. I've never used Kanuma before, but Derek actually used it when he potted up the Mingorelia cuttings. It is for plants or trees that prefer acidic conditions, so I'm going to be repotting the Mingorelias, and I wanted to get a little bit of Kanuma for that purpose. And last but not least, I got this root rake. Now, I already had a root rake almost identical. I just can't seem to find it. I think one of the kids is using it as a back scratcher. So I definitely needed a replacement before I started on any repotting projects. And bonus! This package just arrived from Amazon. Just cut it open. We're going to take a peek inside together. It is, it is a stabby knife. Wow. Oh. Okay. It is an Ironwood Tool Company slip-resistant comfort grip 10-inch diamond garden tool sharpener. This is from Tom at Grow and Clip Bonsai for Seniors. Thank you so much, Tom. I'm looking forward to trying this out on some of my scissors and pruners. It's got a 400 grit coarse side, a 600 grit fine side, and a slip-resistant grip. There it is. Wow. Oh yeah. So this is the coarse and the fine. Okay. You can feel the difference. Nice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.